Way to go, Cole. Get the water, Reese. All right, buddy?
That one was worse than the last one. Oh, holy. I think I'm done.
I'll shade you.
Oh, that was very not the funnest. I will get up. It's pretty crazy. I would not advise doing that at home. Just saying for you viewers out there. But you know, I revive with H2O. Works every time. That's pretty crazy. I was going like really fast, you know, down the hill, and then like when I came off the curb one time I almost fell off, but I held on real good and I just kept going and going, and I was pedaling and pedaling until I hit the ramp, and then I went like, man, you know how far I went. I saw it on tape. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Here he comes. Oh,
that was pretty crazy. Okay. That wasn't actually that bad. This time I'll try the ripstick, because I'm not the sissy like Reese.